Good evening. Teinem Luira Phanit Chanchui nightly razang Khayi na thum sai korali ningishi salam midlay. Achuz miksho ina mutugishi hi iwi journey wi maram teo ka hangmingaye. Mahapograng laga I would like to ask one question. Can a dazzling crown lead to a successful career? Ina kita shongfu kazathili beauty pageants, Truno, industry, entertainment industry, singing, dancing, entertainment, comedy, sa higta hili zadlaga itum na career shempaila kichi hakla kai question akane tan bigitong na paning lere question sa shon de lere ina ongra being killer dance nga ina the competition kita gazat lag sa competition gazat kita hi ta tum hobby mang sa laga hi na tamai da washung mai da atum career champai lag ji hi question kuchung khara sare chu matangli ina iwi experience aina no tumli share sa laga ti kiteu ka hangmi ngai ye. First of all, itum na in our beauty pageant kawahi, it is not just about looks azak mang khyang maning mane itum na khyang hi personality awa lungli ki message mingai khle nglano ba na khra hi ki purpose na khra khle chi hi angai awili confidence malekle awili ki purpose lekle chikitha hi different list of qualities yang laga itumli select sa hui chine beauty pageant hiliang china competition ka sa hi saklak e ga pai od mening ne tahangai ye itum na hi beauty pageant ka zat laga yu ga khuyai na opportunities ka chung ka sam phangai tahangai ye Yui Cleuda itum hi achu Sunsilk Megamis Northeast Khayi Mathangli Minister of Tourism Assam wi Karbi Anglong da apam khlehili ashina fund sa da itum tours da yang to promote tourism, to promote culture itum tours da for 2 weeks chatam chili tam ga khui phapta ka khui ka chung ka sam bhangai te hida the opportunities khara ka chung khili na thum na ningsang lak aina ot sa laga na thum na ningsang lak aina khwa ka chivli oji ningsang lakai na saka na thumli khama hai kala chungmei da successful sa od kachung kharare da hangminga ye itum na karbyang long tour khawatam chili itum apam kuchung khawaye national park katha vaye apam khani katha vaye we visited waterfalls different exotic places kuchung khawaye laga in a significant salaga na thego khuiji one of the places itum na visit kasaji RA Handloom Production Center da apama kabai china Karbi Anglong we apamli atumwi traditional attire he preserves ha khawai prena khana nglano prena bingli khokasa hui laga atum yada atum ethnic chonwai binghi producer khawang chu apam shem actually visit sa dai thum kata da shem khlei chu step process system chi tam khuye laga chili le shimei thui ji thun thai ku khui ji prainau ba ari hi hagupok founder of this RA Handloom Production Center hui naunglawu national zingkum thruk nauna saidi ala ashawuna tam mi khai tam mi khai ngla na gutong khali so da naunglawu ba chila killer shanwai athumbi traditional attire ji and the killer weave sama laga pam sai water chiang khui laga it was so inspiring and it tells us kya kha importance sakle ithumbi ramwi ithumbi community we traditional costumes traditional attire binghi preserves ha laga katha da oguthui in the rest of the world katha da spread sa shi katha da jithai wasi gi ji important sa nai da khuye the jitha da ithum na hida da Luira Phanit hi celebrate sa laga chonwai night ta sa hi ithum na celebrate ka sa hi saran lakhai akhane laga ka sa hi ring phala kai da khuye in ari hida da khaning le hili as a beauty queen my purpose tonight is to influence, to motivate and encourage each one of you. Datum national nglavu mirna bing tong le hili iwi quality itum na beauty pageant likhang quality one of the qualities is to be a communicator jika tuihan Kamatui Talaka Matuilaga, Natum the National Kangte, being Likata inspires Sabaira, Natum Natum Likata inspires Sabaira Chui, Shongfu Jilitum, the exemplary youth Akasata, motivational speaker Akasata, Hui advocates Sakhaivang. That is one of the qualities we need to have. China Chui Muhudaina in Atu Ari Lira Laga Hankangaiva. National Kolegtonko being Lihangaye, Natum dream like if you have a dream, Nana Sakangai, it can be a simple hobby. La Sangayano, Nana paint Sangayano, Nana acting Sangayano, the comedy in the joke at the Hangte Laka, Chui, Katitina qualities Kolegtongachi, the Tumatalaga in a chi cultivate salo every day, the Kibagali, Kibaganali discourage sala, Chiktaji Maganalo. No, we own the Wisakangai passion jili, straight on, head on, valo. Lagana na Chikasatam jili, Mashoila, no Ivang, Vivan and Ramikai, Shongfu Le Sare, the Hangai. Beauty pageant, Laga, Hiwi. Industry hili natum kya ka opportunity sampang pai clay chila hangaye. As a beauty queen, being a speaker, it is one of my motive to set out a purpose. Hang se chika iwi purpose never eva national being I love children. I have nephews. I have so many nephews and nieces, and I love spending time with them. Atumay nang reo kangai pamrung hai chunga sangai jena ngunui lay na eva rergaji atamli mission work lasada killa apam gatay gatay walaga national being ay na charity work lasaye national being ay na vangrong room may itum worship sang room may laga vivrao ipauji hagmayda tamayda spread sag bhai wang chui Shongfu jili chunga zat vaire the jitay hui laga in a hangai national being liva natum na kawaga chili natum ji vivrali mam layalo natum na kasa ka tong jili vivrali pningung laga alining shilo laga awi mingli remay bhai wang every step of the way ali pningung laga ali glorify salo taji hangaye laga hi kasa in the journey of where I am going national guchung kali hangaye field yang career options hi there are a variety of career options starting from, for example, since I am very keen on helping the society at social work sangay you can start your own NGO. You can start or be part of an NGO, non-profit organizations. Yang social work sa ngay bing national lagujung zatlere or youth kachung zatlere. Natum na sa ngay chi natum na mikang daily inspire sa ngay laga mikang daily ngujon ku ngay kangka ku ngay jiwi shongfuli zat ngay ka chikta ku yot la sapay. Natum na you can work as managers, you can work as consultants, you can work as a pageant director, you can work as a pageant coach, as a trainer. There are so natum na sagapay shong fukuchung kale kana na tagag sahi good guidance. Guidance chikali sampang rakli chika. Rakliwa ava wali if you cannot find the sources, you have your phone. Natum bi phone ji kushoklo meaning ava wa phone ji kushoklo laga phagui in a for example iwi talent hi le ji thega ji phagui laga hi ne ikhi sawa pai rakli ji mathala kaina research laga kathada washroom rakli ji phagui shoklo hada I talent le ji laga hada mashmanai paimne itum hi talent shin laga kathada mirin shamkhui rakli ji hi ningli thuklak aina le laga chui mirin juwang it we have to work hard with determination and with resilience ta hangai during the last few years yankrali Luira Phanit it's the most celebrated laga he hakmaida I have seen that different cities every city is litangkhui community na Luira Phanit celebrates the prestigious salagay na manlak ay na hada niksang lagay na kasahi ang lagaring panay hida da tay hakmaida sa genre gihi I feel that it's very close to my heart that we should promote our society, we should promote our community, our culture the hangay arihon itum na in a killer here the Sarah Shumkaili beauty pageant mang maningla I have competed in various different fields singing really la competition kuchung zangay for example I Ari K-pop dan na tum national bin nagujung na thay lere Blackpink BTS yang China Jui feel la I of course I love Korean music Korean dramas ila I'm a avid fan so ijik thai yang laga as ila sangai the ila competition zangai zang laga chiwe kazang jai na Khayi sampang da I got lots of opportunities. Korean embassy na invite sada ashui Korean National Daily along with different delegates from different countries walaga with the senior Korean embassy li they're partnered up with different companies like Samsung, LG dam lem la the chi tumui senior officers walaga chui kahak eventually issue we winner akasa the represents the na performer sami logic tha we opportunities la sampangai kala Korean trade investment promotion we event ila performance halo laga ishili represent hamilo chui opportunities ku chung kharaye ta hita da na thum we talents chili ning sanglak aina wa shumka I am sure that na thum ku tong each and every one of you na thum we shong fu chili future leire da hangaye don't lose hope and keep working on yourself na thum believe in yourself and do not give up hope laga one more thing that I want to na thum national bil hangai hi Ishabuna ili Bible verse akahang kami itum na lumli share sangai hi uwang va it is so inspiring and it helps and motivates me wherever I go yang China hi verse C it's from 1 Timothy chapter 4 verse 12 don't let anyone look down on you because you are young but set an example for the believers in speech in conduct in love in faith and in purity nana national akasai da nana nui nai da nana mathai wam nei nava national da nana ki thaira da meeting na hang sala pai kha na thumchi chui tui ka thai jai na thumkhla da discouragement salo na thumkhla da shi sanglo laga rally chi han laga nana ka sa ka tong ka chili ning sanglak aina savalo da hangai laga achi make sure hi tha liru Phanit hili aya date 4 aina rashung laga achi thata date 6 pauli sawara khai laga ishi family na lai shila kai na ili hada honor sa khami yang ishi right now ishi my father even though he's not there anymore ishi isha wamle sarala ishi shimni hada khung Teinem ram li khung atam li iramainam tiaw gai hilwa Teinem ram li ungka atam li lai shi nai akhino awa lai saigli aisha wa chap charawa mai no alai saru amina dakli awan roi nai kaminu le shi nai jog thali hanga welcome sa nai lum nai thada humi ka aina thai honor sami ku ining shi nai apa chap charu ai phning ngwe ka mina hangi le shi nai ga jangai na kala awa mai nan juru awi khrai philana li apuyong saru ramuri ga le shi nai nu tar ka sa ga poni jili Chanchui ku thalo na ku khra milumai na ji ku than chole mai saring pi mai ji aya le shi nai thai worm sanai sami ku hi aya anili ne kala ning shi nai thai shimuri ga pang nai ku awi khna wa ang le ji ku hi ai ning shi nai ji atho ya dam bili hangi I know that sauga poni hilin room sang mi ku hi route ra la ka nei ji ke ne ka route ra ji ga dam hili I know a shoi ma li phap da ko ku hi ai shi wu no route rum thui ga ai shi wu no ji ha sa sang mi ku ai shi wa ai shi family ka and the grandchildren bang cha sa sang mi ku tho o mi din li ha ku ka phai ka la ring ka pi on ku chung ko sam bang ku nei ji ku ai thuk la phap da ko ga ning shi nai ra o mi sha tai me ru no ka la adhila tang la ratang naw gumi aponi nali thumda o midina poni li mahai me ru no ka la ayon na bia poni li encourage changi e thumda no sa ko pia poni ji sa serlo don't forget that nanu sajui jili ning sang la sarade you can achieve anything. I know Sasha Bade, Tumdali Sasabjune. Aningra? Sasama Sasabjuno? Yes or no? Yes. So, alright. Thank you so much. Ning shit na rin daw inadam yikuang tumdaponi na mahay megui nyasar no ning shit na rin ko. Thank you so much.